Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today's chart of the day is Tesla, 45 minutes time frame here. Now we can see that it is currently ending with 1 in the intermediate degree and looking for a 3 swings pullback. And then after which we should be extending higher again. So by the way, this is an all-time high, 496 in Tesla. So this is by no means indication that this is bearish. It's just a pullback within a very clear bullish trend as it breaks to a new all-time high. Okay, so definitely we don't recommend selling. It's like what we write here, we do not recommend selling, and we continue to like the long side in 3 swing or in 7 swing when we do see a pullback. So this first leg could be ending soon. It's a with A, and then from there we should be getting a rally and then another leg down. Now C equal A will be where there will be opportunities here to go long again in Tesla. Now if I zoom out daily time frame, so you can see here we just broke above that previous high earlier this year or late last year, right? And if you take a look at the bottom here from April, we do have a 5 waves up from here, right? So technically we could have completed this 5 waves from here. If we are complete, then we can be doing a big 3 pullback like this at least. But the other choices is what we are presenting here, which is the primary view, that this is ending with 1 only. So you can think of this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now this is within with 5, right? So so this is a higher degree 3, right? Higher degree 3, and yeah, so wait a moment. Okay, it's a higher degree with 3, and then this is a with 4, and most likely we're still going to be extending higher within with 5. The other option is this is ending 5 already and ending this entire cycle, and then the primary view, of course you don't want to pick the top when you just recently broke to a new all-time high, so you would extend within with 5. So we're going to be looking for 3 waves. So the 3 waves that you see in the 1 hour time frame, this is a correction against the rally from here, from November 14, right? This is the 3 waves correction that we're looking at, and then from there, after it completes, then we have a chance to extend higher again. Okay, so that is the idea here for Tesla right now. And as always, if you want to get more updates on Tesla or any other stock, ETF, indices, and so on, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have for Israel. You can use the link in the description of the video. We also have promotion right now for this month. If you subscribe to the silver or gold plan, we can give you a access to the live trading room. Okay, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.